like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went for a birding trip to Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary and I met so many birds there. Flamingos, egrets, herons, ducks, raptors. Wait and watch. The best time to visit Bhigwan is mid-December to March, that is when the birds start migrating there. You may even come there in the summer because you may get birds in their breeding plumage. There may be less in number, plus it is going to be very hot in the summer. I went there in the summer in 2019, so that video is right here guys, you can check it out. We are going to stop there for some breakfast. It took us around 5 hours to reach there. We checked into a hotel, the Royal Inn, which is near the birding area, had some lunch and then headed out to meet the birds. I was ready with my Nikon D5300 and I had attached my 7300mm kit lens to it. On settings, I used aperture priority with my aperture around f6.3. I kept my ISO such that I get a shutter speed of 1/1000 seconds or even more. That's because the birds are so fast, so you need to have fast shutter speed. In broad daylight, ISO of 250 or 320 is enough to get that shutter speed. Exposure compensation minus 0.3, spot metering, and auto white balance. Now is the time for a boat ride to get a closer look at the water birds wading through. So now that the sun is going to set, I will raise my ISO. I may have to raise it to 500 or even 1000 so that I get that shutter speed of 1/1000. So guys, the first day of photography came to an end and I had a great time and I got so many pictures. Then we went back to our hotel for some rest and relaxation to get ready for day 2. Day 1 gave me amazing photos. So for day 2 we had to get ready fast. I was up at 5 am so that we can leave by 6 am and catch the sunrise. Again, my settings when the sun was going to rise will be high ISO around 500 so that I get a good shutter speed, and as the sun starts coming up I will keep lowering my ISO accordingly. Anyway, I will share the EXIF details of each image as I display it. Then it was time for the morning boat ride, the last boat ride of the trip. So guys, I had a lot of fun at Bhigwan Sanctuary, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want me to cover next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous birding vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.